make hand gloves. First, you get this, then you get this, then you get this. When you all put this in together, it looks like this. Rub it on your hands. And you got perfect arm gloves. Perfect. If it's any color that you want to make and shine, be yourself. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.